Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create the Devil Shadow Portrait, a trending Halloween photo effect that looks dark, cinematic, and mysterious. And the best part is you can do it instantly using Google Gemini's Nano Banana. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this. And then just log in using your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image to activate the Nano Banana, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is Google's latest AI image tool that lets you edit or transform your photo instantly using a text prompt. No external apps needed. Next, just upload your photo. Just choose a portrait with a clear lighting and a simple background for best result. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. Like this, and then next let's type a prompt. Before I already make a prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, just screenshot it and then just use it. But feel free to tweak your prompt as you like to match your styles. Next, I will just copy my prompt. And then go back to Gemini. And okay, like this. Just look at this, the shadow looks perfectly shaped like a devil, while your pose stay calm and elegant. That contrast between peace and darkness makes it so powerful and spooky, perfect for Halloween pose. So that's how you can easily create the devil's shadow portrait using Google Gemini's and Nano Banana. It's no Photoshops, no editing apps, and just one photo and one smart prompt. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you!